Hey you guys, so it is a Wednesday morning. No, it's not, it's actually Tuesday. It's Tuesday morning and I was thinking of doing like a get ready with me. I have no idea how to do this though, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna take you guys through like my skincare routine, my makeup, how I decide what to wear, and I'm gonna be washing my hair as well today. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys like along with me, and yeah, it's the first time I'm doing this, so you guys requested it, so I'm gonna try and hopefully this doesn't look weird. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna do my skincare routine right now, but you guys basically already kind of know what I use, and I'm not lying, it's not a sponsored post, okay? I do genuinely just use these products because I love them so much, and because I've been using them for so many years. But I wash my face with the Flawless Radiance face wash. I'm actually gonna just take this out because it's falling off. The Flawless Radiance face wash that I normally use, and then I go in immediately with this beauty cream here. It's almost finished. It's so bad. I love this so much. This is what I've been using for the longest time ever. It's the Pond's Perfect Color Complex Beauty Cream for anti-marks. So I literally take like a pea size. Let's see if I can get a pea size out. It's almost finished. I have to match like so. That's pretty much how much. I rub it on my hands and I apply it to my bare skin. I want it to kind of like just soak into the skin, so I dab it on like that. And generally after I apply this, my skin is somewhat like dry. You can kind of feel it like drying up. So I immediately go over it with the Pond's Flawless Radiance, the Perfecting Serum. So I put 2 pumps into my fingertips like that, and then massage it through like that. I love how moisturizing this is for your face. So this I use kind of like a moisturizer over and above the anti-marks beauty cream, and I bring it all the way down my neck. And then if I want like extra hydration, so sometimes I get really dry like around this nose area and my forehead area, I would go in with the Flawless Radiance gel. I'm really hydrated today, as you guys can tell. My skin is really hydrated and it's nice and plumpy. It's soft, so there's no like dehydration spots on my face, so I'm not going to use that today. Okay, so I generally do hair first and then I do makeup. But if my hair is wet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry my hair, let it cool down, do my makeup, and then go after and do my hair. So I want to show you guys what I use to wash my hair. So I just recently used these products. This is the Away shampoo and conditioner that I got when I got to the event. The best thing about this products is that it smells so good. I smell like citrus, like my whole hair smells like citrus. It's SLS and SLES free, it's paraben free, it's petroleum free, it's PPG, BG free, it's EDTA free, it's synthetic fragrance free, artificial colorants free. So it's like made with like all natural ingredients, so you guys don't have to worry about like any of that bad stuff getting into your hair, because that's what ultimately causes the breakage, the hair loss, blah 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 blah. So I've been using this and I really love it. My favorite part so far is the smell of it. It's so organic, it's so fresh, it's so light. I did notice though that my hair is really long, so I had to use like a few pumps to get it in. But other than that, I mean, it's not so bad. will have to use it a couple more times for me to actually say how much. But so far I love that it's so natural and it's like just all natural ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to put some heat protectant spray on my hair. Basically what I'm doing now is just like my everyday makeup look. I'm just going to a meeting. I'm going to campus and then I'm going to a meeting, so yeah, I just want to like not have too much makeup on, but this is generally like how I do my makeup. So I just have some foundation. I use the Essence Flawless Foundation, Insta Perfect Flawless Foundation. Then I use some concealer, the LA Girl concealer under my eyes, and then the LA Girl dark concealer for a little bit of contour. Then I use the Switch Beauty, the matte bounce, just to set my under eye. I will brush the rest off just now. And then I did my eyebrows with this Kiss Beauty Perfecting. It's like an eyebrow palette, but I did that for my eyebrows, and then I used the darkest shade just to kind of like line my top lid and my bottom lid, just so that there's kind of like a little bit of definition and my eyes are kind of like dark. And then I'm going in with the matte pen eyeliner. I'm going to do a really thin winged liner on the top, and then after that I'm going in with some mascara and highlight, and done. So there you go. That's basically just my everyday makeup look. I used the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I used the Mina the highlighter in the number 201, which is one of my favorite day highlighters. Today I'm just going light, and then I'm going to top it off with some Essence Shine Shine Wet Look lip gloss, but I'm going to do my hair first, so let's get this hair did. Okay, so for hair, I am using my Glam Palm wand. This is the this is the 22mm Glam Palm. They only have one wand, so if you get the Glam Palm wand, this is the one that you're gonna get. And I set it to the highest heat, and I'm just waiting for that to heat up, and I'm going to comb out my hair. Oh, it smells like citrus. I love the smell of citrus. Besides the fact that it reminds me like of toilet spray, I love the smell of citrus. makeup, hair, my outfit. I'm wearing my Freddie jeans, this belt, I think it's my brother's, I think it's a origami belt. This blazer is from Truett, and then this camisole underneath I think is from Woolworths for Mr. Price. My neck piece is from, I think it's from Lovisa, I can't remember. Earrings are my mom's. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me. It was actually a first ever, my first ever get ready with me, so I hope that this turns out okay. Let me know what you guys think about this, if it was interesting. I'm pretty boring, to be honest, but if you guys found this interesting and you want me to do more, then just let me know, and I will. And yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day.